In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a toggle mute button in Discord, a helpful feature that can enhance your voice chatting experience by giving you quick control over your microphone. Imagine you're in the middle of an important conversation or streaming live and need to mute yourself instantly. This setup will allow you to do just that without fumbling through menus or losing time. First things first, open up your Discord app and log in if you haven't already. Once you have Discord open, take a glance at the bottom left corner of the app. There, right next to your username and avatar, you'll see a little cogwheel icon. This is your user settings. Go ahead and click on that icon. With the user settings menu open, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a list of options under what's called app settings. From this list, find and click on the option labeled keybinds. This section is where you'll manage all the shortcuts you can use within Discord, making it a key area for customizing your experience. At the top of the keybinds page, there's a button called Add a Keybind. Click on it and you'll notice a new row appears on your screen. This row will have two drop-down menus labeled Action and Keybind. Focus first on the Action drop-down menu and click on it. Scrolling through the action options, look for the one that says Toggle Mute. Select Toggle Mute because this is the action you want your keybind to perform, muting and unmuting your microphone at will. Now move to the keybind column. Here you'll see a button labeled Record Keybind. Click on that button. This is where you assign a specific key or a combination of keys to the toggle mute function. The great thing here is that you have flexibility. You can choose a single key like F9 or F10, which are common choices and typically unused in everyday tasks. Alternatively, you could opt for a more complex combination like Control plus a letter if you prefer. Once you press your selected key or combination of keys, you've got it. The keybind you've chosen will be automatically saved, meaning there's no need for extra steps or confirmations. You now have a dedicated toggle mute button in Discord, conveniently set up for fast and easy access. With this feature, you'll have peace of mind knowing you can instantly mute your microphone whenever necessary, allowing for smoother communication and enhanced privacy. And remember, you can always return to the keybinds page to modify or delete your keybinds if you need to make changes in the future. Thanks for tuning in and happy chatting with your newfound audio control.